Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can know your OneDrive storage. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, there is two ways on how you can know how much storage you have left. So the first way is by going to your File Explorer. Go ahead and click on the Start menu, search for File Explorer, and then go ahead and open it. And then you're going to find OneDrive folder here, as you can see guys in the left. If you right click on it, here you're going to find all of these options. You're going to find Copy, Expand, Open in a new tab, Open in a new window. Go ahead and click on OneDrive, and then here you're going to find View Online, Settings, and right here you're going to find Folder Color. So right now, go ahead and click on Settings, and here in the left, as you can see guys, you're going to find these sections. You're going to find Sync and Backup, Account, Notifications, and lastly right here, you're going to find About. As you can see guys here in the bottom left, you're going to find Storage. Right here, you're going to find how much you used and how much storage you have left. As you can see guys, I used 0.1 gigabytes from 5 gigabytes. The second way how you can know how much storage you have is by right clicking again right here, go to OneDrive and then go to View Online, and this will take you to this page on the web. Then once you're here, in the left you're going to find these sections, and right here as you can see guys, you're going to find storage, and this is how much storage you have. So right now, if your storage is full and you want to free up some space, you can go to your files, and then here you can delete some stuff that you don't need. Just select them, and then you can go here to the top, click on delete, and then they're going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete these items? Click on delete, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.